So, looking at this picture, I just want to start out this video by saying, if you think that the chemtrails is a conspiracy, then this is not the video for you. And also, this video has nothing to do with chemtrails, but that's just like the most basic thing that everybody should just look up and be like, hey, look, they're spraying, but moving on. I want to talk about the Holy Grail. In this picture right here, you see there's a dome covering. Inside the dome there's a sun and a moon. You see the sun is like a man and the moon is like a female, and at the center is the Holy Grail.
Behold, this is the Holy Grail. Look well, for it is your sacred task to seek this Grail. That is your purpose, the quest for the Holy Grail.
The spear of destiny pierces the side of Jesus Christ on the cross, and they collect the blood in the Holy Grail in the cup, right? That's the story. But it's like an allegory, like there's a hidden meaning behind it that I'll explain. And I love this stuff, it's so cool. So you see like the X, an X is like a cross. And they show you on the Christmas tree, the sun goes round and round, spiraling in and out, up and down, bringing the seasons. And you place your star on the X. And they say like the sun is a star. Right? You follow me? This is like hardcore rocket science stuff. So, how it all ties in is that's Jesus, the Son, the Most High, the light of the world. And in this picture you see the sun has like a face, and that's telling you that the sun is conscious. And it's not that Jesus is placing his blood into the Holy Grail, it's that Jesus is the sun above your head, and it's the light that goes into the Holy Grail. Yeah, I just grabbed this picture. It was like probably the best way to show you. I want you to imagine our sun above our head, Jesus the sun, that's like the positron, and you see it's putting its light into like this hole, and all compasses point inward to the North Pole, where the Aurora Borealis is shooting out of the Holy Grail. You see what I'm saying? The Aurora Borealis shoots out of the Holy Grail, but only if Jesus the Son places his light into the hole. And you're probably saying, okay, so what's that on the other side? And that's a great question. That electron, that's the black sun. And that's like this black sun that nobody knows about. And there's even like a song from Soundgarden. It's like, black hole sun, won't you come, wash away. I don't know what it says. But, so what I'm saying is it's two suns. It's a computer simulation, they're always saying, we're inside a computer simulation, and it's on loop. It's like the division symbol. And the sun beneath our feet, the black sun, is stationary so that it can shoot the Aurora Borealis through the hole and project the stars onto the dome. So let me see if I can bring it full circle for you. We're back here at this picture, and it's like you already know everything about it, and you see that the stars and the sun is all under like a dome. So stuff's pretty cool. Y'all know everything about the Holy Grail now. It's like we gotta go there because, you know, the Holy Grail, that's like holy waters, eternal waters, living waters, fountain of youth. That's where the real fountain of youth is. You know, everything is like a distraction. It's like eyes on the prize, fountain of youth, Holy Grail. If you want to help out, make some videos pointing out the Holy Grail. And yeah, there's 144,000 people in the Book of Life. You just put your name in there. It's on YouTube. You just write out on a piece of paper, I intend to bring forth heaven on earth for the benefit of all. Prick your finger, place a drop of blood on there. You know, videotape it, upload it to YouTube, tag title, description, blood over intent, and you'll be side by side with me and with all of us, blood thicker than water, you know, to take over this world. So that's what's up with the Holy Grail. You know, and I just want to say that the universe it works selflessly, you know, so, and it registers everything you do. So